Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at the Whitestone Gen film for the Z Fold 5. I did a full install on this. It's going to be the video before this, and I actually recorded that video yesterday. So you are seeing both these videos on the same day. If you're watching them back to back, they are uploaded on the same day, but I did use this for 24 hours. And I have some experience with these. I had one on my Z Fold 4, and I actually had one on my Z Fold 5, but I took it off to review some other screen protectors, so this is actually the second go around on it. But I put it back because it is truly my favorite one. I did buy this one myself. This is not one that Whitestone Dome sent out to me, because like I said, I did take that one off after the review to review some other ones. So if you guys don't believe that these are actually good, I did purchase another one just because I wanted to actually use it. So this is my favorite one thus far. Out of all the ones I've reviewed. The other one had a weird line down the crease. Not the other one as in the other Whitestone one, but the other one as in the other brand. So I could not wait for this one to come and get delivered by Amazon so I could put it back on. But flawless installation here. I've been opening and closing my Fold since yesterday, and there's no issues with it whatsoever. Everything is working just fine, and actually, it's actually been longer than 24 hours because I put this on Saturday and it's now Monday when I'm making this. So it's actually been the entire weekend that I've been using this, and it's been great, no issues. Like I said, it's nice and clear. There's no distortion, nothing like that. It feels like the factory one. It actually feels better than the factory one. Very smooth, and I do use the S Pen, so it's very nice to write on with the S Pen because it's very silky smooth, and it doesn't feel as plasticky and like kind of that sticky plastic feeling that you get with the factory one. I don't feel that with this one. This one's very, very smooth and glass-like, very responsive on opening and closing your apps. Obviously, swiping and stuff like that. Very, very easy, and the screen is responsive. So if you have not seen the other video, I'll link it down below. It is a full start to finish install of installing this screen protector. Details everything you need to know about how to install it and stuff like that, so check that out. I'll also link this screen protector down in the description below. These only run $19.99, and you can put them on very easily yourself. So there is that Whitestone Gen film from Whitestone Dome. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.